This is your sign to laminate your eyebrows at home. Hey there, I'm using the 1V Salon DIY kit. You know it comes with everything that you need. The kit includes a brow lami and lash lift system. Firstly, we start by brushing our eyebrows up into place. Then apply step 1 of the brow lamination process, which is the glue. Brush it through so all hairs are coated evenly. Next, take the lifting cream. Ensure all hairs are covered with the brow lifting cream. Leave on for about 10 minutes. Processing time depends on the thickness of your brows. Remove any excess product around the brow area by gently wiping away with a cotton bud. Wipe away step 1. For the next stage in the process, apply step 2 neutralizing cream. Apply a small amount of the neutralizing cream on the eyebrows. Use the exact same processing time as step 1. I'm setting a timer for 10 minutes again. Ensure all the brow hairs are covered. Wipe away excess product around the brow area using a cotton tip. Carefully remove step 2 neutralizing cream with a cotton tip. Finally, finish off with some brow nutrition oil. Brush through evenly. And there you go. DIY brow lami done at home. So easy to use.